I am Dr. B. Anandapriya, Associate Professor and Head, Department of BCA, Petition College of Arts and Science. Today let's see about software engineering. This is actually the syllabus which is prescribed for 3rd BCA students for the 5th semester. It's one of the code paper. And the subject code is SU25A. First, let us see about what is software engineering. Software engineering is the technological and managerial discipline concerned with systematic production and maintenance of software products that are developed on time and within cost estimates. First, let's see about the subject title, what is software and what is engineering. Software is a set of programs, collection of programs, or it may be a single project. Engineering is stages that are used for developing the software. And let's first see about software development lifecycle model, which is also called as SDLC. This SDLC that describes the various activities that are carried out for the software for the development. One of the important SDLC model is classical waterfall model. There are 6 phases in the classical waterfall model. Number 1, feasibility study. Number 2, requirement analysis and specification. Third one, design. Fourth one, coding and unit testing. Fifth one, integration and system testing. And the last one is maintenance. First, let's see about the first phase, feasibility study. Before studying about the software, before analyzing the software, we should thoroughly understand about the project. So first, we should understand what is the software and also whether it would be technically and financially feasible to complete the project within the stipulated time period and within this cost estimation. Number 2 is requirement analysis and specification. There are 2 distinct activities. One is requirement gathering analysis and second one is requirement specification. There are various methods used for collecting requirements. The main objective of software development is it should satisfy the user's requirements, that is customer's needs. So for that we have to first collect requirements from the customer. The methods which are used for collecting requirements from the customer is interview, task observation, or we can do analysis based on the previous project. After collecting the requirements, we have to analyze those requirements what we have collected from the customer. First, analysis should be done with the help of various methods. First, we have to identify whether any incompleteness, any inconsistency, any anomaly. So, all these will be removed from the whatever requirements we have collected and stored as a document. After removing all this anomaly, incompleteness and inconsistency, these requirements will be stored in the document called SRS document. This is one of the important documents while we are developing the software, that is software requirement specification. This is our second phase in the waterfall model. Third phase is design. As we all know that instead of if it is specified in the textual format, when it comes to diagrammatical format, it is easy to understand. That is your design phase. There are 2 design activities. One is architectural design. Number 2 is detailed design. Architectural design is how to divide the project into module. And detailed design is how to interconnect all the modules together, and also we have to decide which type of algorithm or data structure we are going to use in our software development. Third phase, this is a design phase. Now moving to the fourth phase, that is an exact phase which only we are going to write the software, construct the software and develop the software, and this coding phase is also called as the implementation phase. Here we should decide about which programming language we are going to use for the software development. For that, the programmer should thoroughly have a knowledge, expert in that particular programming language. So after deciding the particular programming knowledge only, they can go for this programming language I am going to apply for my software development. After completion of this implementation phase, we have various modules in the project that we already saw it in the design phase itself. In this, we have the next type of testing is unit testing. Unit testing is individual module testing. For example, in the project we have 5 modules, means we have to conduct 5 unit testing corresponds to individual module. And the 5th phase is integration testing and system testing. Integration testing is after completing this unit testing, we saw that unit testing is individual module testing. Combining all the modules together and conducting the type of testing is integration testing. And the last one, system testing. The goal of system testing is whether it satisfies, the developed system satisfies the user's requirements or not. Because we have already collected the requirements that is stored in the document called SRS. So, whether this document satisfies your project, final project satisfies the requirements that we have collected in the SRS or not. That is our system testing. And the last phase is maintenance phase. There are 3 activities in the maintenance phase: adaptation, enhancement and correction. Adaptation is the software which we have developed should work under any platform or any configuration. Adaptation, that is our adaptation. Correction is removal of errors. And the third activity in the maintenance is enhancement, adding more features with the already existing software. For example, our existing software is a manual processing. When you are planning to shift from existing to computerized processing, we can add more features in the existing software. So, these are the 3 maintenance activities: correction, adaptation and enhancement. So, these are the 6 phases. One is feasibility study, second one is requirement analysis and specification, third one is design, fourth one is coding and unit testing, and fifth one is integration and system testing, and the last one is maintenance. These are the 6 phases in the waterfall model. So, as of now we will finish this software engineering waterfall model. Let us see the remaining topic in the next class. Thank you.